Hello, welcome to the third lecture of Human Resource Management lecture series. In this lecture, we will talk about human resource development and the difference between human resource management and human resource development. Let's get into this. Human resource management is now further expanding or evolving towards human resource development because now it has been assumed that people are a valuable resource and they have uniqueness. That means they cannot be treated like material resources and all the workers cannot be treated like in a similar manner, okay, because every worker is a unique person. Next, this human resource must be nurtured, must be developed, must be taken care of, and hence human resource is now becoming the center of excellence for people related issues and activities. So let us see what is human resource development. Human Resource Development or HRD is concerned with providing learning experiences to the people for developing human resources and harnessing their physical, mental and intellectual faculties for the benefit of the organization. So basically human resource development का मतलब है कि जो हमारी वर्क फोर्स है, जो हमारे ह्यूमन रिसोर्स हैं, उनको हम फर्दर डेवलप करें, उनकी फिजिकल, मेंटल एंड इंटेलेक्चुअल एबिलिटीज को हार्नेस करें और ग्रो कराएं इन सच अ मैनर कि अल्टीमेटली हमारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को इन वर्कर्स की enhanced capabilities का benefit मिले. So human resource development is enhancing the capabilities of the workforce. Okay, so now let us understand the difference between human resource management and human resource development. We are not saying that one is good or one is better or which one is good or which one is not. We are simply trying to understand the difference between the two कि human resource management क्या होता है और ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डेवलपमेंट क्या डेवलप हो रहा है, राइट? तो सबसे पहले हम मीनिंग की अगर बात करें तो वी नो दैट ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट इज अ प्रोसेस and this includes a number of activities and all these activities are related to the workforce, right? On the other hand, the meaning of human resource development is that this includes overall development of all the workers to improve and enhance their capabilities. Okay, so this is simply activities related to workforce, HRM, while HRD is overall development of all the workers so that their capabilities are improved and enhanced. Next, the objective of HRM. HRM is meant to improve efficiency of the workers and efficiency of the administration. On the other hand, the objective of human resource development is to develop the organization and work culture as a whole. So we are not only focusing on our workforce, rather we are being concerned about the development of the organization and to improve the work culture in the organization. Next, the responsibility. Whose responsibility is human resource management? We have always been telling that human resource management is the responsibility of the human resource manager. On the other hand, human resource development is the responsibility of all the managers, be it top managers, middle level managers, lower level managers. Everyone is supposed to work for human resource development. So it is the shared responsibility of all the managers, while human resource management is the responsibility of only human resource manager. Orientation of human resource management. Here the focus is on maintenance of our workers and this is termed as the reactive function. That means if something happens, then to take care of that particular situation, human resource manager reacts to that particular situation. Okay. On the other hand, human resource development is here the focus is on development, and this is a proactive function. That means here the manager or the management does not wait for something to happen. It actually proactively works for the development of the workers, right? So this is a reaction, while this is a proaction. That means here we don't wait for something to happen and then react. Rather, here the first step is taken by the management itself, and that step is towards the development of the workers. Next, in case of HRM, the motivation that is given to the workers is economic rewards or job satisfaction. So here the motivation is given in terms of incentives and benefits, and the workers get the job satisfaction. In case of human resource development, the motivation is not economic. Rather, here the job challenges are provided, and all those workers who love challenges get motivated by such challenges, and here their problem solving skills are improved and enhanced by say attempting to solve those challenges. The problem solving skills are developed. The result of HRM or the outcome is improvement in satisfaction and high morale due to improved performance. Since the satisfaction is improving because the workers are being rewarded for their good work, and they are being praised for their performance. Therefore, they not only receive high satisfaction, rather their morale also increases. Okay. On the other hand, in case of HRD, the result is that the organization gets developed human resource. Developed human resource means the people, the workers which have high mental, physical and intellectual capabilities, because here the management has taken care of their overall development. With this, we finish our discussion of human resource development and the difference between human resource management and human resource development. If you have any doubts, you write in the comment section and I will try to answer those queries, and we'll meet in the next lecture with some new topic. Bye.